A very good morning to all of you. I just with of class 7th A on behalf of Rawal International School welcome you all in virtual morning assembly. Everybody please join your hands and close your eyes for Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasavitrevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasavitrevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tasavitrevarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now today's thought. Gratitude is the best medicine. It helps your mind, your brain, your spirits and attracts more things to be grateful for. Now I would like to call Janvi of class 7 and Miss Shivani Thani ma'am for sharing views on missing school days. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all. You all know that the day without school is the day without learning. Time spent in school is essential for students' life. In school, we learn to respect elders and the way to gain progress. So today, I, Janvi, of class 7th, is going to share my views on missing school days. Where is the school? Where are the classes? Where is my desk and my study glasses? Empty playground and seesaw are sad. The swings are asking, where is everybody yet? Corona, Corona, you will see tomorrow. We will rise from sorrow. Our dreams, awareness, and our will is enough to defeat you. So, ma'am, please tell me, will the school is open as I am missing my school days?
My name is Shivani Dhyani. Dear students, when it is safe, I'll open my arms wide and shout to the world that we are going outside. Don't give up hope and don't lose the sight. If we are sick together, we'll together win this fight. It will be a super day and it will be very cool. The day when we go back to school. Now, I would like to call Ms. Gauri Arora, Headmistress Primary Wing, to share her views.
Thank you, Ms. Dhyani. Respected parents, teachers, and my dear students. A very, very warm good morning to everyone. It's indeed a pleasure to be back with you again for the morning assemblies. Students, do you know there are 86,400 seconds in a day? Have you ever used 1 second of these all seconds to say thank you or to express gratitude towards someone? Expressing gratitude is one of the quickest way to change your vibrations from negative to positive. Gratitude is something that attracts blessing, that multiplies blessing. Today, I've come up with few affirmations that we will all say and share and practice on everyday basis to make our days more productive, more positive, and full of life. I just request all of you to please close your eyes and say with me. Thank you for my hands. Thank you for my feet. Thank you for the eyesight. Thank you for the air in my lungs. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the trees. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you for the plants. Thank you for the vegetables. Thank you for the fruits. Thank you for the wind. Thank you for the rain. Thank you for the clouds in the sky. Thank you for the sunshine. Thank you for the water in the ponds. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my heart. Thank you for my liver. Thank you for all my healthy organs. Thank you for my strong body. Thank you for the ability to taste. Thank you for the food on my plate. Thank you for the delicious and yummy meals. Thank you for the unlimited prosperity. Thank you for the financial abundance. Thank you for the financial success. Thank you for the passive income. Thank you for the massive success. Thank you for the wonderful opportunities. Thank you for the blessings in the form of loving parents, ever helpful and sincere teachers. Thank you for ability to think, to visualize, and to dream. And above all, thank you for this amazing, amazing gift called life. Students, please practice these affirmations every day and start your day on a positive note. I would just like to add one more thing here, that we, your teachers, principal sir, the entire staff misses you. We miss you being around. The school misses you, your playground, your classrooms, your digital boards, your cafeteria, your music room, your auditorium, everything misses you. We miss your chirpiness, we miss your playing in the playground, we miss every inch of you. We're really looking forward to seeing you as soon as possible. These are little tough times, so I request everyone to stay calm as far as possible. Stay happy, stay healthy, and make people around you also happy. With this note, I sign off. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.